Alright, so right now, pardon my scruffy beard and stuff like that, I was rushing per usual, but I'm on my way to do something, and yeah, you guys will see it. Well, you guys won't, what the fuck, come on dude, but yeah, well, you guys won't see exactly what I do, but you guys will see the result of what I do, and yeah. I'll get back to you guys in a second. Alright, so this is a bag of money. And now, you guys probably figured out what that means. Skyline is gone. Why did you sell it? It was your dream car, blah, blah, blah. But things have to be done. And I made a little bit of money off of the car, cool, whatever. Like, granted, that was not my, like, reason for owning it. Granted, it's always nice to make money. It's lovely to make money. I love making money. If I wasn't making any money, I wouldn't be able to even get any of these things. But, as you guys know, I have a terrible carcane habit, and I love BMWs especially. So, with that said, I'm going to be looking at quite a few cars. I may be picking up 2 or 3 vehicles and then using the rest of the money to invest in camera equipment, business stuff, stocks, bonds, gold, everything. Like, I have a lot of things to do, and that was the main thing. Like, granted, I could have done all of this stuff without selling the Skyline. Well, not 2 or 3 cars. I could have gotten like another car or 2 without selling the Skyline, but one, insurance in Massachusetts is outrageous. 2, I don't have the space. And 3, you guys already know I have to do the E36. I need like some type of support/towing vehicle, and then I need like a daily. The support/towing vehicle may be the daily, but knowing me and me not making good decisions in life, I'll probably have one of each. Again, because I'm stupid and I don't make good decisions, and I make very bad financial decisions with my carcane habit, and I don't plan to seek any help for my addiction anytime soon. So yeah, Skyline's gone, and you guys will just be seeing what I do next. You guys will see like the cars that I go look at and things like that, and I'll be looking online like Auto Tempest and eBay and Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I may even be looking at a car today or 2. Another car is in Connecticut, which is like an hour and a half away. That's cool. And I'll probably do that Saturday, which is tomorrow, because today is Friday. But yeah, that's basically it for right now, at least. The Skyline is gone, and now I have to start looking for other cars, because as you guys know, the E36 is not currently running, so I need a different car. Because 1, I'm taking the Skyline off the insurance, putting the E36 on, and unregistering my plate from the Skyline, and I'll probably just transfer the plate over to the E30. Actually, no, I can't transfer the plate over to the E36, because the E36 is going to be listed as a historic vehicle, or whatever that thing is called. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so this is a X5 4.8 IS. It's an auction car that got, what do you call it? Salvaged, because it has vandalism damage. I don't know if you guys could see that right there, but you know, there's some vulgar terms. I'm pretty sure this was an insurance job, but for what I'd be buying it for, and it has a tow rig at the back, but for what I'd be buying it for, I mean, to tow my cars when needed and whatnot, it'll be decent. That's if I grab it, because I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna do that or just put a tow hitch on the Pathfinder, but it sounds okay. Let's see. Doesn't have any engine codes. It has a transmission fault, but I don't really believe that's anything. The nav screen thing doesn't seem to be working. Not sure why, but I'm pretty sure that's also just another fault, but not 100% sure. It has some hard-edge wheels on it. I know back in the day these were the shit. And this kind of reminds me of my uncle's old X5. I literally would not be surprised if it was his old car that somebody bought, because I believe it has been here like since new. And my uncle had one of these, so I really would not be surprised by any means, because it also has a firefighter sticker on it, so I wouldn't be surprised if that's been there forever. But yeah, like he had one just like this. I'm gonna see if I could actually find like the previous owners and see if it actually was his. But yeah, 4.8 IS, and it has all the trim and all the aero stuff. Brakes, has a brake issue. I don't know if there's one brake that's lower than the rest, but yeah. Who knows? But I have quite a bit of cars to look at and stuff like that, and I may even consider getting a newer one. But yeah, seems to shift fine, and I can't really drive it too much because, as you guys saw, the tire is low. So oh, they have a ML320 CDI. If that one's for sale, I may even look at that one. But yeah, the car's pretty decent. The interior is pretty clean. We would have to just get some like air in the tire and everything like that. But yeah. Yeah, but overall the car's not too bad. So I'll definitely be coming back to look at it, most likely see if I could grab like a spare wheel, because I wouldn't be surprised if I did have a spare wheel that could fit this, but never know. Yeah, the interior is pretty nice, and it's silver on black, just like the E36, which is another good thing because they would match, and that would be like the whole point. But yeah, it has a couple little things in it, but I guess we'll just have to see. Per usual, I didn't close out the video, so I'm gonna do it now. So basically, I'm on the hunt for a new car. Here's the money from the Skyline. I'm going to be looking at quite a few cars. I'm talking to quite a few people about some cars. Right now, I'm kind of torn between like buying a boosted E36, most likely turbo, like the one that's already done, so I can just drive it around, and then eventually I can use it to compare my supercharged E36 build to it, so I can have both, which is, it's kind of dumb, but it's kind of cool at the same time. Another thing that I'm considering is either an M6, like a E65 or E63 M6. I forget the chassis number, but the M6, like the V10 one. If I can find one in a 6-speed, I'll definitely grab that. Or I'm considering an E92 M3, which I would love. I am about to actually call a dealership, which is in New Jersey, about one, and see what they could do price-wise and everything like that, and if they give me a good price, especially if I can finance it. Like, I could pay for one outright, but I'd rather finance one so I can build my credit history. So I'll most likely do that. Go pick it up, even this weekend if possible, or something like that, and then just do like a E92 M3 build, like overtime supercharge it. But I drive it like as is, maintain it, do the rod bearings and everything like that, like if needed, all that, and then supercharge it down the line after the E36. But yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. I'm also looking at the X5s, as you guys just saw previously. I'm looking at 750 ILs like the E38. I don't even know what else I'm looking at, but mainly those are the 5-ish cars. E36 or an E30 if it has a M5X, S5X swap, or like M54. I'd supercharge that or turbo it. But yeah, I'm kind of tired and I have a couple things to do today, and I'll be making a video today as well. So like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think I should buy. Like, I know when I was doing the E92 M3 video, a lot of people say I should get that, which I'm really considering because I do love those cars. And yeah, I'll try to get one of those because I really like them. So like, comment, subscribe, and you already know what to do. Like old times. Drink water, motherfuckers.